Hello, welcome to my channel again. If you've seen my other video where I bought the other TYT TH-UV88, I liked it so much, so I went out and bought another one. You know, time of this video, 2021, this radio can be had for anywhere from $29 up to $50. The first one I bought through Buy Two-Way Radio, I paid $39.99 for it. And I paid the expedited shipping to have it in 3 days for like another $11, so I think I have like $50 invested into it. This one, I got off an eBay seller, and I got it for like $32 and change shipped to the door. And I also got it in about 4 days from the time of order. So let's see what's included with this one. Different sellers offer different items into it. The other one came with the radio, the battery, the charging cup, an antenna, and the belt clip, and that was it. Oh yes, and the other one did come with an owner's manual, like this one. This one has the owner's manual. Okay, this one comes with a programming CD, the software. Probably a driver for the USB cable. Get our warranty card like last time. Okay, this is unexpected. I got a programming cable. I'm not sure that's an FTDI cable for Windows 10. Looks more like a cable for Windows 7 or XP, but still. What's that? $6-7 bucks? That's cool. So we got the standard TYT antenna, which is 136 to 174, 400 to 470. The radio, the charging cradle. The only bad thing about these radios is the charging cable is attached. It's not a barrel connector, so you can take it apart and use a DC adapter if you wanted to go mobile. If you wanted to charge it while you're mobile, you got to have some kind of power inverter. Let's get this out of the box. I already have a radio plug made up for the other TYT we're going to load into here, and we'll be right back. And again, we get the little warning label. Device sticker shows the bands. The screen protector and that little blue tab. I'll probably pull that blue tab off like I did the other one, but leave the screen protector on there. We got the battery. It's only a 1400 milliamp battery, but I do have spare 3200 milliamp batteries, the belt clip. Oh, one thing I've noticed with these TYT radios, whether it's the TH-UV88, the TH-350, if you've seen the tri-band video, they don't give you a wrist strap to hook through that loop and to hook around your hand so you don't accidentally drop it. It's easy enough to make something up, but still, why they don't include it is beyond me. Okay, it looks like this UV88 came pre-programmed with the same two frequencies as the other one, 443, 500, 145, 550, so gotta load my plug into it and let's see what happens here. So I like the radio so much about another one, like I said, so there it is, all programmed up, it's scanning. And we're just using a stock rubber ducky, not sure what we're going to hear, but the only thing I can see different than the other one was the squelch button feels a little bit softer, the rubber on there, the detent. The other one's a little bit firmer, this one feels softer. So anyways, there's our channel mascot Louie. She just turned a year old today. Whenever I dig out the light box to shoot videos in, she's always got to jump up in it, take a nap. Is she adorable? She just turned a year old. Wish her a happy birthday. Louie, my mascot. You're the radio mascot, baby girl. She's like, oh, I'm just going to go to bed. Sleep on the radio, take a nap. What you good kitty. He's so beautiful. Louie's hugging up to the TYT UV88. Giving it the hugs and kisses. Anyways, hope you like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification for future videos. Please use our Amazon link for any and all purchases off Amazon. You're going to buy anything amateur radio related through Bridgecomm, please use our affiliate link to help support the channel. And if you want to support the channel, please do so on patreon.com/simplyhamradio. Thank you. 7-3.